at 4:50 p.m. The invoice number was 1345 at 4:50 p.m. And then the 23 of 2345 sequential in the total 2326, as in God in English gematria equaling 26. Today I'm going to do Donald Trump, Donnie Darko, and read the Graham Greene story called The Destructors. And we will go into gematria and its relation to the Donald Trump, Donnie Darko psychological operation of deep state central intelligence, this mask or ego persona, electric, being played out in live action 3D, holographically, in the matrix of the May suns, of Beltane, of Mayday, of the bulls, and the balls, and the bulls, and the blessings, of blood, of the blade, and the chalice, or the lingam and the yoni, of linguistics, of the universe, of the one. Uno. Why do you think our sign for one is a vertical line? It's not a horizontal line. The horizontal is associated with equal, the parallels, the two horizontal lines of equality, of the E, the three, of the tree, of the trunk, the spine, of the brain tree, of the dendrites and the pineal gland of the pine tree, of El, the light lord, of lard. Dim, 26, mid, 26, data equals 26, data, information, of the father, of the feather, of the weather, of leather, and the mid and the dim, anagrams. The mid of the mix. Why do you think mid and mix begin with M, which is the 13th letter of the English Aleph alphabet? In the middle of 13 of 26, M. Look at A and M. M is the pair of Alephs, or the pair of L's, of joined, yoked, the union of the two, yang and yin, of yoga. Jesus says, Matthew 11:29, take my yoke. He also says that in the Gospel of Thomas about his yoke, his Y-O-K-E, not his egg yolk. He's not walking around, with egg yolk, saying, take my egg yolk. No. He's saying, take my joining. Yoke is to bind, to join, to yoga, to link. The whole point of all of this is to link back to God, the divine, God which is properly defined as the intelligible sphere whose center is everywhere, but whose circumference is nowhere. An immortal spirit who belongs to everyone, not an Israelite, not exclusive. How could anyone have exclusive access to a universal principle? The first thing of first things, the prince, up whole of the bull. 11 L-even items, and the change was 7-11. What also equals 26 in English gematria? This one. Card. C-A-R-D equals 26. C-A-R equals 22. C is 3. A, Aleph, Alpha, the 1. The only letter. All else is different aspects of the Aleph. R18, D4. Add those up. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 18 is 22, plus 4, 26. 2 and 6, 8, or H, the 8th letter. 1 10:16 a.m. and the total was 1167. 1167. Where's the 16 here? On either side of the decimal point. 16 at 10:16. Invoice number 1984 of Orwell of L. And George Orr in The Lathe of Heaven by Ursula K. Le Guin. 43 items, 43 cents change at 2:51 p.m. and the total was 101.57. There's the 5 and 1 there on either side of the decimal point, and the 5-1 of the time, and the 43 items and the 43 cent change from the $102 paid for this total. 43 the difference. 43 items total. Seven items at 2:43. 4 and 3, 7. 7, 7. Invoice number 3024. Time 0243. 3024. Total 0243 time. 2:43 p.m. 3024 total. $12 items at 11:02. 102, 1 2, because 0 is nothing. 1 plus 2. Items 1 plus 2. Invoice number 2010. Total 3164. $31 items at 10:54. Total 7503. Invoice number 2003. 2003. Total 7503. All kinds of connections there. A causal connecting principle. First thing. Principle. Items 9. Total 3063. 360. 369. Invoice number 1999. Items 12 at 10:12 a.m. 12 tribes of Israel, Jacob. 12 apostles, 12 disciples. 12 pairs of cranial nerves in the temple. 1980 invoice number. Total 2238. 12 items at 10:12. 221212. Items 19 at 10:09. What's 10 plus 9? 19 of 2019. And last but not least, look at this one. This sucker. This sucker's a biggie. Big mother. Boop. Big bad mother. Boop. 60 items. The total was $160. You think it stops there? Nope, it does not, because the invoice number is $13.59 and the subtotal before the $1.02 tax was $159. Hare Krishna, aloha, namaste, hallelujah.